Hey everyone, my name is Bhagat Gaud. In the previous video, I showed how to navigate the viewport of Blender. In this video, we will learn how to add materials and render the scene. By default, Blender already gives the camera. To show you how to add the camera, I will delete this camera. I will hold Shift key to select other object, and this is the outliner of the Blender. Every object and other things in the scene will show here. You can hold Ctrl to select multiple objects. Let's delete them by just pressing delete key, or you can use X. Delete. To add anything to Blender, you can add it by going here, add. If you want to add mesh, by default Blender added the cube, right? You can also use Shift plus A to get the same menu. Here go to mesh and add a monkey. Now let's add a ground to it. Shift A, mesh, plane. It is so small. In the previous video we learned how to scale any object. You can do that by going here, or you can press S to scale it. Okay, I'm using middle mouse button to rotate. I want to place it monkey on the ground, so let's select the monkey. Let's move it a bit upside, then use the rotation. That's it. You can select any object and press F2 to rename it. Let's name it as ground. Now we have a ground and the monkey. If you want to render the scene, we have to add a camera. You can press Shift A, the same menu we added the monkey. Let's go here and add camera. Here you can see the camera is added by using the move tool. Okay, now let's use the rotation tool. Right? In Blender, to view the camera view, you can press this little camera icon here. Then you will see the camera angle. If you have the numpad on your keyboard, you can press 0 and it will show the camera view. Or you can use this. If you want to see both the viewport and camera view, if you go in between any two sections, you will get a plus symbol. Go and right click, vertical split. Here, wherever you want to add it, move your mouse and press left click. Now we have two viewports. Let's zoom in. Move your mouse to this viewport and press 0, or you can use camera. Now let's rotate it. Right? Let's move the ground a little bit, or let's scale it by pressing S, and let's move the let's scale it even more, because here you can see it is not inside the camera. Yeah. Okay, now let's add materials to it. Move your mouse here and scroll it and go to material view. If you have a low-end PC, it will take a little bit of time to load. Since we have no materials added, it will show everything white. Select the ground. If you select anything, it will show yellow color outline. You can see it here. I selected the ground. Here there is a material section. Click on it and add a new material. You can rename it here by pressing and write it ground. Now add any color to it. I will add a gray color, so here you can decrease it. Now select the monkey, add a new material. Let's call it monkey. I will add it red color. Let's add a metallic, so it will look like a metal. Let's decrease the roughness so it will get some shining. Now after adding the materials, let's go to render view. Since there is no light in the scene, it is looking bit weird. To add a light, you can use the same shortcut, Shift A, then go to light. You can add a sunlight. Right here you can see. Let's move it upside and rotate it. Let's change the material a bit. I don't like this metallic, so I am decreasing it. Now it looks good. Select this one and you can change the strength. Click and drag it to increase and decrease it. Click and type 5. Right, now let's render it. Go to render and click on render image. Go to image, save, choose wherever you want to save the image. Go to that folder and you can choose whether you want to save it as PNG, JPG or any other formats. Now let's save the image. You can close it. To save your first project, go to file, save, select the path, then click and change the name, my first Blender project, then save it. Just practice whatever I showed you now. There are many things to do in Blender. From the next tutorial, we will level up our skills and we will deep dive into Blender. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We will meet again in the next tutorial. Bye.